If Wi-Fi option is not showing in Windows 11, follow these steps. First, open the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. Then expand Network Adapters and look for your Wi-Fi adapter, such as Intel, Realtek or TP-Link. If you see down arrow icon, right-click the adapter and select Enable. Then check if the Wi-Fi icon appears. If you don't see the adapter at all, click Action at the top and choose Scan for hardware changes, or go to View and Enable Show Hidden Devices. If the adapter is enabled but Wi-Fi still does not appear, press Windows plus R, type Services and press Enter. Then find Double Lane Auto Config. Open its properties, select the startup type to automatic and start the service if it's stopped. You can also run Windows built-in Troubleshooter by going to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, selecting other troubleshooters and running the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. If the issue persists, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, find a Wi-Fi adapter and open its properties. Click Configure and check the driver tab to update the driver automatically or uninstall the device and restart your PC so Windows can reinstall it. If automatic updates don't work, download the latest driver manually from the official website of your adapter manufacturer or laptop brand. You should also go to Power Management tab of the adapter and uncheck the option that allows Windows to turn off the device to save power. As a last software fix, you can perform a network reset from Advanced Network Settings or run network repair commands using command prompt as administrator, such as resetting Windsock and TCP or IP followed by a system restart. If none of these solutions restore the Wi-Fi option, the issue is likely hardware related, so testing a different Wi-Fi adapter or trying the current one on another PC can help confirm that. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.